So I got this desktop whiteboard and I absolutely love it. I use it every day on my desk. There's just several things that I like about it. First of all, as you can tell, this is a tempered glass, and I feel like when I write on it, I have a regular whiteboard, and I feel like the whiteboard markers actually work better on this than my regular board. As you can tell, these three pens come with it, the black, the red, and the blue, and this is how they write. And then it comes with this little eraser. And the other thing I like is on my regular board, it doesn't always come clean. I don't know if you can tell, but that just comes super clean on this glass top, which I really like. I have my marker sitting here, but you can actually move this and put in here if you have an iPad and you're wanting to have a place to sit it upright, or even your phone. Sometimes I'll put my phone in here, so it's great for either thing. And then the other thing is when you open this up, it's got all this storage. I've got like my headphones and just extra pins and clips and stuff, but whatever you want to put in there. If you wanted to, if you had like a keypad, this is just kind of like, if you can see, it's angled the right height that you could put like your keypad here, and this kind of elevates it a little bit to put your hands there and stuff. But I don't know, I super love this thing. It's actually not a big size, but it's big enough it doesn't take up a lot of space on my desk. But it's nice that I just make a lot of notes throughout the day, and then when I'm done, I wipe them off and I'm good to go. So highly recommend if you're looking for one.